Mihango ya woyani wa maabitha a mbiraru bururi-ini igitanywo gutabanio icigo-ini mbunge ciothe thiini wa kaunti 46. Kaunti ya Nairobi mihango ino ibangitwo gutabanio o ceceni-ini ithatu riri aritwa rirarakite a mbunge kaunti-ini ino. Seneta wa Nairobi Edwin Sifuna hamwe na mbunge maugite riri ni ikinya rirathutũkania kaunti ya Nairobi magiukirira minister wa ugitiri wa bururi Soipantuya ni kwagira kaunti ino gitio ona thengia wayo gukorwo niyo ina namba nene ya andu.
We wrote to the CS Soipan and we told her, we gave her 7 days ultimatum to change her advert so that it reflects what she has advertised in 46 other counties. In all the other 46 counties, recruitment will be done at the sub-county level. But here in Nairobi, they want to cluster us into just 3 areas. This is unacceptable for Nairobi.
I think what the minister and the CS has to tell us is, one, where do you normally cluster Nairobi County? Are we still a county in the clusters of the ministry, or are we an open air where everyone is allowed to do what they want to do? Number 2, Nairobi has been discriminated always. In every sub-county in this country, you find 5 people or 6. They are always recruited. In Nairobi, when you cluster us in 3, how many are you recruiting?
She doesn't even have the courtesy and respect for the people. Forget the respect for us. The respect for the people we represent, to just respond to what we have asked.
Ambunge no maugite igeria riao ria kwaraniria na Tuya niririgite ihiga riu makiheana mukana wa guthii IGOTIINI kurugamia mihango ino angikorwo mateta mao matiguthikiririo na oho mehita gutemania mutaratara wa guthingiriria Tuya kinye mbere ya mbunge gucokia ciuria ciao.
We must pursue all avenues. We will go to court. We will bring her to parliament. I am also in the Committee of Defense. We will bring her to the Senate so that our voice and the voice of the people of Nairobi can be heard.
She needs to tell us, what is this discrimination against Nairobi County? Are we not a region? Does it mean that the sub-counties in Nairobi don't matter? Therefore, if this does not change, we will stop the recruitment of KDF in the entire country until Nairobi is treated in the exact same manner.
Kaunti ya Nairobi ni imwe ya kaunti iria igumirwo ni wagi wa mawira. Sifuna akiuga giki gibatie gukorwo kiri gitumi kinene ya kaunti ino kwaga guthutukanio mihango-ini ino.
Because we have the biggest problem in youth unemployment in this country in Nairobi, we feel it is vastly unfair that when opportunities such as this arise, we are being treated unfairly as a people of Nairobi.
And this is how you find now corruption coming in. This is how you'll hear people telling you, we paid money. Where will they come to run? In Nairobi. Because you can't run in the other regions. But Nairobi is very open. You only have 3 venues. You are full there. You won't even know who is who. That is why we are saying we are stopping in corruption in the process. But we are saying, as Nairobi, we should be counted as any other county.
Mihango ino iratanywo kwambiriria mweri-ini ukite wa Oktoba.
Hii barua tulifikisha.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Mubi wa Shege.